we want to show you room 2539, a deluxe studio here in Boulder Ridge, which is part of Wilderness Lodge. Let's go inside and take a look at our room. Oh, it smells nice in here. So nice and bright. So, as you enter the room, you have this little foyer area, and you have a full-length mirror, and we have a cute little painting here with Mickey and Minnie looking at the wilderness. Right here we have a kitchenette. It's a nice-sized kitchenette, and it has a lot of things that you need when you're here. Cabinets for storage right here, and then on this side they have paper plates and cups and plastic cups. Of course, on this level, they have a microwave, ice bucket, toaster. And here we have a drip coffee maker and a pod coffee maker. And they give you supplies here for what you need for the coffee. Paper towels, sink, and then you have some dishwashing liquid, a sponge, and a dish towel. Underneath here, we have a nice size refrigerator. It does not have an ice maker, but that's okay. You can get ice with your ice bucket. We have 4 drawers here. In the first one, you're going to find your plastic cutlery, can opener, bottle opener. And then these remaining 3 are for storage. Under the sink, we have storage. We also have some extra products in there that you might need while you're here. Now, let's go across the hall. And this is our wet area. Nice countertop, plenty of space to spread out. Nice mirror, magnifying mirror. We have 2 drawers in here. So in this one, there's a hair dryer. And then it has some shelves with the towels and some paper products. On this side, we have a very large closet. I don't know if you can see because it's kind of dark, but it goes far back. In here, you're gonna find an extra pillow and blanket, a long rod to hang clothes. You have a suitcase holder, and then you have a safe here, and that's one that you will put your own combination into. Iron and ironing board. Plenty of floor space to put items. Let's go across the hall, and there we are in our bathroom. This is a tub shower combo, but it's nice, and it has nice motif and tile on the wall. And then you see they have 2 shower heads. One is a fixed, and one is you can take it off and shower the kids or your hair or whatever. We have a clothesline in here, and then we have products that Disney provides, those nice smelling products. And we have a shelf in here, so if you want to bring your own, you have a place to put them. Nice towel rack in here. Of course, you have a toilet, and you have a nice little painting on the wall. Now let's go into the bedroom area. And here we have a queen bed. Nice headboard, very colorful. 2 lights above, 2 task lights below, and they fold down and they turn off. 2 nightstands, and on your nightstands you have a countertop, you have a cubby, and you have a drawer underneath. I want to point out that on those nightstands they have outlets and they have a USB port right here. Bed is on a pedestal, so you can store your suitcases or whatever you want underneath. They have a telephone and a Hey Disney in here as well. Over here they have a nice sized couch. You could easily fit 3 adults on that. They have a table, and this table moves, and it also opens and expands up. So if you want to eat while you're sitting on a sofa, you could use this or play games or work. In here is an extra pillow and blanket, or you could store some other items in there if you'd like. We're going to pull this out of the way. You can see this nice motif rug. And then we're going to show you behind this cute picture of Donald and his nephews. We're going to show you what's in here. Here you go. Here's your other queen bed in the room. And I've been told that these beds are very comfortable. And as you can see, Donald's on a geyser, and Huey, Dewey, and Louie are taking the snooze. They've had a rough day all day camping. You have a light above. You can turn that off. When you're done sleeping in the morning, you're ready to hit the parks, you just pull this up and you fold it back into the wall. On this side, we have our balcony and sliding glass doors to go out. Let me open these up. You have blackout drapes and shears, and we have a slider. Now we have a view, a partial view of the pool. Very nice. It looks very wooded. It is very wooded. Doesn't just look. It's nice and wooded. Very nice the way they have it themed out here. 2 chairs, 1 table, nice sized balcony. And then look at these drapes. There's Mickey, he's hiking. And there's Pluto, he's looking for something. Birds and chipmunks. Here we have a door that would go to an adjoining room should you need one. But we don't have a need for that, so we're not going to open that up to show you that. Nice counter here, very long. Great for unloading your suitcases or backpacks. Huge television that swivels. And then I want to show you what's here behind this nice painting of the woods. You have another bed. It's a twin. They call it a 5th sleeper. And there's Chip and Dale. They've been collecting nuts and they're in their tree and they're sleeping for the night. And again, you're done. You're ready to go the next morning. You just fold this up and it's out of the way. Over here we have a few drawers. 2 this size and 1 larger. So you can unload your suitcases. And they even give you a couple stools in here so that you can use them maybe at the table to eat. Last thing I want to show you is your thermostat. It's right here on this wall. So that's a look at the deluxe studio here in Boulder Ridge. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you did, please hit like, please consider subscribing, and please join us on our next magic adventure. Bye.